Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean and replace a filter on a Dyson stick vacuum cleaner. If your vacuum cleaner has stopped picking up, then it's likely that the filter is blocked or damaged and it will need to be replaced. Always work safely. Disconnect the appliance before you start the repair. The filter needs to be checked and washed once a month. It may require more frequent washing if vacuuming fine dust or if used mainly in powerful suction mode. The vacuum has one washable filter and it's located in the top of the cyclone here. To remove the filter, place your fingers onto the filter here and then pull upwards. If the filter is damaged, then it's really easy to pop your new one straight in, but I'm going to show you the best way to clean the filter if it isn't damaged. To clean the filter, run it under the cold tap until the water runs clean. Then wring it out as much as you can and leave to drain in a warm environment for 24 hours until completely dry. When washing the filter, do not use a dishwasher or washing machine as it could damage the filter itself, and do not dry it via an oven, a microwave, a naked flame or the tumble dryer. To replace the filter, simply pop it back in once fully dry into the cylinder. And there we have it. How to clean and replace a filter on a Dyson stick vacuum. Please give this video a thumbs up if we've helped you and subscribe for more handy how-to videos. Find all the spares and accessories you will ever need on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.